Hello and welcome ASU Clinical Instructors. This is a brief 6-minute tutorial for using the TracPrac Clinical Evaluation System. You may scan the QR code to download a copy of these slides for reference. TracPrac Digital Clinical Evaluation has web-based access for students and instructors. The digital evaluation allows both students and instructors to collaborate within the evaluation and provide actionable feedback for attaining clinical competence. Here are a few tips to get started. If you forget your password, click the Forgot Password link on the sign-in box to have a reset link sent to your email. Remember to check your junk and spam folders if you don't see it in your inbox. If you're using a Mac, please use the Safari browser when on TracPrac.com. And please contact support if you have any questions. We have live chat on our website Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. for any support questions. Please direct all questions to our chat as your first steps so we can follow up. Once students create the evaluation for the semester, instructors may access the evaluation to rate performance levels and feedback for SLOs added by the student. Click the Evaluation tab and select the Nursing Course Number Clinical Eval Tool option. You will only see the students that submit the evaluation to you. Click Continue Eval to begin. The Clinical Performance Evaluation for the instructor has 3 main sections to complete. Complete the clinical details, rate the performance levels, review the student SLOs, and provide feedback for the next clinical experience. This process will repeat after each clinical day. Once the clinical evaluation opens, under Section 1, complete the student clinical details on the page, including the date and clinical site, and enter your signature. Note, the evaluation is a short instant live form and will not automatically save a draft. So it is best to complete a student entry in one single session or short period of time. In Section 2, rate the students' performance levels for each domain and all objectives for the clinical day. To reference the learning outcomes specific to the course, click on the information icon. In the instructor feedback boxes, provide overall feedback regarding the appropriateness of the ratings and student performance. Faculty should provide suggestions for any performance improvements students need to make for future clinical shifts. In Section 3, review the students' SLO entries and provide any feedback related to their examples in each box. Feedback is required. Click Next to proceed to the next tab. To submit the entries for days 1 through 8, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Submit in the bottom right corner. To view the status of submitted entries, click on the Evaluation tab and select the Nursing Course Evaluation tool. If the status shows Submitted to Student, it is pending the student's acknowledgement and/or SLO submission for the recent clinical day. If the status shows Ready for Review, click Continue Eval to open the evaluation and start your entry. Clicking Export will download a PDF copy of the current evaluation. The final entry will open by day 8 for traditional and accelerated, day 6 for MEPN, and day 3, as listed on the tab, for Lake Havasu. For the faculty final summary comments to be added, confirm the student is passing and sign off, which will complete the evaluation for the semester. The next 4 slides will demonstrate the process for students to log their formative skills competencies in the TracPrac app and how to validate the activity. Students will check in, log skills, and check out at the end of their clinical or lab day to mimic practice. The ASU Nursing Skills list is embedded in the app so students can quickly select the skills in their scope to log and self-reflect on their experience, as shown on the screens. Once the student submits their daily clinical log, clinical instructors can review and validate student formative activity logs. All submitted activity logs will show on the Home tab. Review each student's submission and click Required Action to open the approval box. Select a detail rating or choose the default rating. Enter formative progressive comments as optional for the student's day. Then select a tag to classify or link the activity to a learning outcome or setting. Click Give Rating to submit the approval. Thank you for watching this instructor video tutorial. This concludes the evaluation and skills steps for clinical instructors. You may access this video anytime at the link shown on the screen. Please contact support with any questions. Thank you.